PowerKing stump grinders are now compatible with GreenTeeth 500 series. This is an overview of the two different types of teeth for the PowerKing PK0803-EH electric start stump grinder and PK0803 pull start stump grinder. This here is the included PowerKing OEM teeth. There are 9 total teeth with 3 different styles, a left, right, and center. The pocket is mounted to the wheel via 2 hex bolts. This is the GreenTeeth 500 series. With this setup, there are 8 total teeth with 2 different styles, straight and angled. These pockets are mounted via Allen bolts and it sandwiches the wheel. Here is a close-up of the carbide tip tooth. As you can see, these tips are welded on and the entire tooth must be replaced once it is worn down. These GreenTeeth are rotatable as it has 3 grinding positions per tooth. The teeth are also individually replaceable. Now, let's start the engines and see how these perform.